Hey guys, Dan the Man here, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. Here we have the Western Digital Elements 6TB portable hard drive. Not so portable, but it is still portable. You could take it around with you. So this thing is gonna cost you around anywhere between, like, let's say $60 to $100, depending where you live, which part of the world. And if you can get sales of these things from Amazon, that would be a good thing. It would be a good thing to store your pictures, videos, or other things that you've got in there. You could use it as a portable drive. It's kind of big, but it's totally doable. You're opening the box right now. You got these things around it, protecting it. And inside these things, you actually have a 5,400 RPM, 3.5-inch, basically desktop hard drive. So that's what you got inside these. I mean, you could put this in your backpack. I mean, it's not that big, but it's pretty big. It's like, let's say, let me bring an apple for comparison next to it. It's yeah, not a very good example, but anyways, it's pretty big. My hands are quite small, so it's gonna be as big as my hands. You don't know how big they are, but anyways. So you got the actual unit there, and then here, what else you have? So you got cables, warranty information guide, and other stuff, and the USB cable and other things that you usually get with these things. I got a nice quality, basically USB port, you know, 3.1 or 3.0, not sure. But this thing's gonna transfer files at the rate of 150 to 60 or maximum 70 megabytes per second read and write speed. And here is your power adapter. Without the power adapter, you cannot use this thing. It's not like those 2.5-inch drives. This is a 3.5-inch drive. I mean, if you basically open up this casing, you could probably put this in your desktop, and you can actually put this in your desktop and install games on it. You could even play games just like that. You got a power button, you got the USB connector, you got the power input, and there seems to be something there which I'm not sure what that is. And that's pretty much it. You know, you got that LED flashlight somewhere in there showing that it's working. And we got a UK style power plug in here. And they included a European converter kind of thing, but it doesn't work. Or maybe I need to take this out. Ouch. It's pretty difficult. Oh, it's got a thing there that I need to press to open it. Let me do it off camera. It's pretty hard to open this thing. To change the header and stuff. Okay. Doesn't work. It's telling me to press there, but it's very stiff. I'm gonna have this off later, you know. It's not really working right now. Okay, anyways, this thing needs to come off. This should go in there. I mean, depending on the country you live in. You got the USB stuff. So the reason I bought this thing is because it's got a 3.5-inch desktop hard drive in it, and it's about 6 terabytes. That's a lot of space for your games and stuff. So I'm gonna actually open this thing up later and then take the actual drive in it and then put it in my main desktop and have games installed on it. Or that's one option, and I wouldn't need these stuff because there's a SATA connector and there's also a SATA power cable. So that's how you're gonna connect it to your PC. You have to open this thing up, take a lot of things apart, but that's gonna void your warranty, but you're gonna get 6 terabytes for a cheap price. These days hard drives are quite expensive, and I mean, they're getting cheaper actually, but then those Chia miner guys kind of messed up the market. So anyways, or you could just use it as it is, you know, and it would work just fine, you know, and there's not going to be a single thing about it. Let me take the plastic off. Ooh, that feels good. And I mean, see, it's like a fingerprint magnet, but the fingerprint goes away after a couple of seconds, disappears by itself. You see, it's there, it's absorbing in. Not sure if you can see it on the camera, but yeah, it's a beautiful drive. It's a little drive for $60. It's really worth it. 6 terabytes. It's like $10 per terabyte, so it's good. I mean, if you're gonna use it like this, it comes with 5 years warranty too, depending on where you live, maybe 2-3 years, and it's pretty good. I mean, but I'm gonna open it, which is gonna void the warranty. I'm gonna put it in my desktop because it's cheaper. If I wanted, let's say, to get an actual 5,400 RPM desktop, 3.5-inch hard drive from Western Digital or other brands, it would have costed me like, let's say, how much? It would have costed me like close to $100, but it's like 60 or 55. So it's a lot cheaper than what you would pay for a whole drive. Anyways, thank you for watching. Read and write speed 116 megabytes or 50 megabytes per second through the USB, and also connecting it to your PC. So it does the job. You can install games on it, have your pictures, photos and stuff stored in there. But always make sure to have also a cloud backup or some other backup forms, because these things might fail, and if they fail, their hard drives, you will not be able to really recover your data if the hard drive inside it fails, because they have these motors inside them and they can fail. They tend to fail a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching again. I'm gonna end this video. I don't want to make it that long. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. But I would prefer it if you liked it. So you have a good day, guys.